Hello IG Garage family. Is your car throwing a P0094 trouble code? If you're noticing fuel smell, reduced fuel efficiency, or engine hesitation, this could be a sign of a small fuel leak. Ignoring it can lead to poor engine performance or even a fire hazard. In this video, we'll cover what P0094 means, the exact sensor location, which is very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. Let's get started. What does P0094 mean? The P0094 code stands for Fuel System Leak, small leak detected. This means your engine control module, or ECM, has detected a small drop in fuel pressure, indicating a possible fuel leak in the system. Symptoms of P0094: strong fuel smell around the vehicle, poor fuel economy, rough idling or engine hesitation. Check engine light on. Common causes of P0094: 1. Leaking fuel lines. Small cracks in rubber or metal fuel lines can cause leaks. 2. Loose or damaged fuel injectors. A faulty injector seal can leak fuel into the engine bay. 3. Faulty fuel rail pressure sensor. Incorrect readings can trigger this code. 4. Defective fuel pump. A failing pump might cause pressure drops that trigger P0094. 5. Bad fuel pressure regulator. It may not be maintaining the correct fuel pressure. Alright, so where are the sensors for the P0094 trouble code located? Let's dive into that. First up, the fuel rail pressure sensor. It's usually found on the fuel rail, near the injectors or the fuel distribution pipe. In most cars, you'll typically find it on the top of the engine or along the firewall. Yeah, that's where it usually is. 2. Fuel lines and injectors. Check the fuel lines running from the tank to the engine. Inspect all injector connections and seals. 3. Fuel pump and pressure regulator. The fuel pump is inside the fuel tank in most modern vehicles. The fuel pressure regulator is typically near the fuel rail or integrated with the pump. Tip: if you're unsure, check your vehicle's service manual for exact locations. Inspect for fuel leaks. Look for wet spots or strong fuel smells around fuel lines, injectors, and the rail. If you spot a small leak, replace or repair the affected part. Check the fuel rail pressure sensor. Use an OBD-II scanner to monitor fuel pressure readings. If readings are inconsistent, replace the sensor. Examine the fuel pressure regulator. If the regulator is stuck open, it can cause a drop in fuel pressure. Replace it if necessary. Okay, so now we're going to test the fuel pump. You'll want to use a fuel pressure gauge to check if the pump is delivering the right pressure. If the pressure is too low, well then the pump may need replacement. Alright, let's clear the code and take it for a test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the P0094 code. Then drive the car and check if the issue is resolved. So that's everything you need to know about P0094, small fuel leak detected. If your car is showing fuel odor, rough running, or a check engine light, make sure to inspect the fuel pressure sensor, lines, and injectors. Fixing a small leak now can prevent serious engine damage or even fire risks. For more car fix guides, you can watch these videos next: P0460 fuel level sensor circuit malfunction, and P0016 crankshaft camshaft position correlation error. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next